So hello everyone, thank you for joining me here for another video. I know it has been a while. It's been about a week since you've seen one of my videos here. I want to go ahead and show you the dry result from my last painting, and I'm super happy with this one. Check her out. Look how beautiful, how soft the color palette is. The orientation, I love the blowout. Love how the colors look. Tell me what you think about this one. Leave a comment in the comment section below. And you can see a lady right in here and another face right in here. Tell me if you see that. Isn't that interesting? So that's what I see in this painting. Two faces facing each other here. Tell me what you think about that. Today, I am going to work on a 12 by 16 inch canvas. And I am going to flood it with my Oxide Black by Amsterdam. So I'll have it pre-flooded as I've been doing. And I'll show you the colors in a minute. We'll be right back. Okay, everyone. So our canvas has been flooded. So now we're going to go ahead and layer our colors. So I am starting with Pearl White by Amsterdam. And I don't know what composition I want. Okay, so I'm going to go here. And here. Next color I have Iridescent Blue Green by Pebeo. Now I am gonna add Pearl Space Gray by Arteza. And a little light because I don't want this to be too dark. I want it to be nice and bright. Now I am gonna come in with a little bit of Pearlized Bright Gold by Master's Touch. Just a little bit of that. Then I am adding Deep Turquoise by Winsor and Newman. Okay. Seems a little thick. And I have Pearl Magenta by Arteza. I love the color palette. And finally, I have Cadmium Yellow Medium Hue by Winsor and Newman. Oh, the yellow brightened everything up. I love it. Okay. So those are my colors. I'm gonna go ahead and torch out those air bubbles. And I am going to begin coming down. a beautiful composition. I love how it looks. I am happy with the cells that I'm getting. Look at that over here. The streak of the blue and then how it fans out. I'm okay with that. I lost a lot of the color in the center, but I love the negative space that it has. And I love the streak of the yellow throughout. So yeah, I think I'm happy with this. We'll see how it dries. Let me show you a close-up. Okay, everyone, so here she is, and look how beautiful it is. As it sits here, it has been developing a lot more cells. So we're gonna go ahead and start from the, look at those clusters. Check how gorgeous that is. And that white will come through once it dries, and it's gonna look gorgeous. But look at those clusters, look at those cells. Absolutely beautiful. Here's the streak of that blue. I lost a lot of my color there, but I don't want to mess around and mess it up. But check her out. Look at those clusters. Love the color combination against this black. Look at that. Absolutely beautiful. What do you think about this piece? Leave your comments in the comment section below. I'm coming around, trying to avoid that glare from my overhead light. But look how gorgeous she is. Absolutely beautiful. Leave a comment in the comment section below. Thank you for joining me here once again at Fluid Arts by Elsa. I hope to see you in my next video. Hopefully it's not that far out. I'll have another video within the next couple of days. I have been out of commission. Everyone in my house has been sick, but we're all coming back to being okay and things going back to normal. So check that out. How gorgeous are these colors? I love it. Thank you for joining. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.